Hello everyone and welcome back to our third talk show. If you haven't watched our earlier two talk shows on Sasket and Pragmatic's Udu module on travel and tourism, there's a link in the description. You can go and watch it. And today we have a third talk show which is on Pragmatic's Alliance program. To give us insights on what Alliance program is, we have today Mr. Sandeep. He heads Alliance program at Pragmatic. Today our main motto to do this talk show is to understand what Alliance program is all about and what are the benefits of it and for whom it is beneficial for. So without a further ado, we'll just dive into this and get up exciting insights on Alliance program. Hello everyone, we have Sandeep with us. He heads Alliance Partner Program at Pragmatic. And welcome to our talk show. This is the first physical talk show we're having, than a virtual. And it's very exciting to have this for the first time. So we have certain questions for you today regarding the Alliance Pragmatic Program. So we will start off with what is the Alliance program that Pragmatic is having. So can you just give us an insight about it?
Sure, Vikram. Thank you for inviting for this talk show. Yes, with Pragmatic, we have a great, exciting partner program. So Pragmatic is actually associated with Udu platform for the last 15 plus years. And we are looking for, kind of an ID partners or CRM partners or, self-independent consultants in those areas who could actually join our hands and, help us increase our reach. So we have various level of partnership programs for them.
Okay.
We have project outing partners, and we have business associate partnerships, and we have very exciting enterprise partnership as well. I would love if partners can connect with us, and I'll be happy to share more information with them.
Okay, so what is this enterprise partnership model you were talking about? So can you just give a gist about it? Like what is it?
Oh well, that's a very exciting partnership program what we have. Here, basically, what you can actually use the brand name of Pragmatic also and establish yourself in various countries yourself and get a lot of rewards from Pragmatic for this.
Okay. So what are these partners? What type of partners you're talking about? Who are these partners? Who are these people we are looking at?
Well, mostly, of course, it is going to be from the IT sector, and we are looking for people who have had or have been selling CRM applications, ERP applications probably, or they may not be also selling ERP application. They are associated with IT industry and looking to expand their business portfolio, offering an enterprise solutions specifically for SMBs and SMEs over there.
Okay.
So we have we can tackle a lot of markets like hospitals, schools, universities, probably restaurants.
Okay.
A lot of industries where we can offer our solutions, and these partners who already are working probably in these industries can just join us and can take advantage of this and increase their revenue and increase their product offering to their customers basically.
Okay. So any benefits partner do have with this? Like if somebody has been associated with you as a partner, so what are the benefits this program you are going to give to that partner?
Right, joining with us, of course, they get an experience of the platform Udu also. They start learning from us about this beautiful platform of Udu, where we make them understand, the open source application. Then they have the enterprise modules also. We train them across that as well, and slowly they can themselves, start offering the solutions. The best part is that they don't need to invest on kind of resources for tech part of it. They can rely on Pragmatic, and Pragmatic can offer them the resources and share the experiences what we have.
Okay. And what is the support we are giving to these partners? What are the kind of support we are going to have if partner comes to us and if he gets on board with us?
Yes. So when it comes to marketing kind of supports, then yes, we can have a joint GTM strategy over there where we can help them based on their industries. we can help them create certain contents which they can definitely use it online, and then they can share it across generated requirements from their customers.
Is it message or something like a message
Yes.
on a WhatsApp or
Yes,
some
it's a
other
message on
platform?
the WhatsApp or LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram where they can definitely promote that
Mhm.
and attract more of their customers.
Okay.
And coming to the tech side of it, of course, we have a great team of 100 plus people over here, so they do
Mhm.
not worry about it. We will
Okay.
as with tech part of it.
Okay.
So because all the people do not have the expertise of what has to be done, how it has to be done.
Mhm.
So we have a great team. We can always give them consulting points and take this on.
Okay. So we understood these partners are from an IT industry, is what we understand. And apart from that, with these partners, who they are catering to? Are these consult, like for example, if I'm an IT consultant, so who are the my clients would be like to whom I like as a partner I am there for a client. So
Correct. So if you see today, IT is everywhere and used in every industry. So partners from the IT also, they also work very specifically with certain segments like manufacturing, or they are working with healthcare, beauty clinics. They have to offer solutions in constructions, real estates. So we have modules for different industries likewise. So the partners who are associated already with these kind of industries, we can definitely offer them the solutions. So our solutions are limitless. Like for every industry we have solutions.
okay.
You can definitely if you're already there associated with certain industry, yes, you can just explore. Come to us and we will help you with those particular modules, and you can just give your solutions to the clients basically.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got an insight on what Pragmatics Alliance program is. And if you are willing to partner with Pragmatic, there's link in the description. Go check it out. And see you next time with some another interesting talk show. Thank you.